In today's video, we are going to look at how we can use Spinkit progress bars in our Android app. So you probably are used to these progress bars that look like this one here, but they are not so good looking. So that's why we may want to use more fancy progress bars like these ones. We have this rotating circle, we have this one, yeah, they look very good and they are really customizable. So we are going to use this library on GitHub called Spinkit Android, and then we implement it in our app. So getting started, we see some implementation detail here, and we are going to first add a dependency. So go to your project, then go to your settings.gradle. Then here in the dependency resolution management, come down here to repositories, and we are going to add a Maven URL. So type Maven, then curly braces, type URL, then space and open and close quotes. Then I'm going to type in https jetpack.io. That's the first thing we do. Then next we are going to go to our build.gradle module app, then go to the dependencies here, then copy and paste this from the GitHub repository. I will link this GitHub repository in the description of the video. So we copy this implementation Spinkit, copy it, then we paste it down here, then we sync our project. This takes a few seconds to download and configure this Spinkit library. So once the build is successful, now we can go ahead and go to our activity main. Let me hide this device. Then we are going to replace this progress bar with the Spinkit view. So move it. Then for simplicity, I'm just going to copy the one on GitHub. Yeah, copy, then come in here and paste. Then the color, I'm going to define my own color since I don't have any color accent defined for my project, and I'm going to use the hex code. Then I'll click on this Android Studio colors, then I choose maybe a light version of red like that. Now I'm going to run my app to see what's happening. So we can see the progress bar now is appearing, but it's in the top. So I'm going to go ahead and center it. Center in parent true. Then I will run my app. Now we can see it is showing in the center. Let's see how we can actually interact with this progress bar in our code, maybe to change the color, position, visibility, and so on. On GitHub here, we are provided with some code that we can use to interact with it, but I'm not necessarily going to use this code because this is not the way I aim to use it. So this code is intended to use it on your progress bar, and then use the sprite. You can select double bounce or any other sprite from these ones. Their names correspond to the names of the classes as specified in the code, but I'm not going to use this way. I'm just going to interact with the Spinkit view. So I'll define my Spinkit view, then name it Spinkit view. Going to find view by ID since it is a view. Then I specify r.id.spinkit view, Spinkit, which is the one specified in my activity main.xml file. So this is the ID. If you want to specify your own ID, you can go ahead and do so. So right now I'm using the Spinkit view.large.circle, which is the one here. Large circle. Okay, this is a fading circle. Then the circle here is .large.circle. So I want to interact with this view by changing its color after 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do is start a new countdown timer here. I'll just call the countdown timer. Then I'll do let me just do 3 seconds, so 3000 milliseconds, and I will count down by 1 second each tick. Then I'll go ahead and implement methods for a countdown timer. The on tick and on finish methods have to be implemented. Then here I'll go ahead and start it. Start. On finish, I want to set the color of this Spinkit view from this red to white. So what I'm gonna do, going into here, then I'll do Spinkit view set color. Then I will use color pass color. Then I'll provide a hex string, which is hash ff. Yeah, so this should pass the color white. But if in case you just do the shorthand like this, hash ff, this will not work with the pass color function, so you have to make it full. Then I end the statement here, then we run the app and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we see now the color changes. Let's experiment with other sprites and see. So I'm going to remove this and then say Spinkit dot. Then we see the options here: circle, chasing dots. Let's try chasing dots. Build the app and run. And as you can see, these are the chasing dots and they change the color. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like. See you in the next one.